Skin Squared teamed up with Ulta to host the 2025 K-Beauty Hall of Fame. This was a free 3-day beauty event located in Hollywood, California. I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to show you what I got for free. As expected for a free beauty event in Los Angeles, the lines were long, but we didn't have to wait that long. We did have reservations, so our line moved a little bit quicker. I would say we waited for about an hour. After getting our bags checked, we were greeted with some tasty Korean snacks and sodas. Just like Beauty World, we're going to have to go around to each booth and collect a stamp before we can collect our goodie bag at the end. This event is featuring popular Korean beauty brands that are making their way into Ulta Beauty online and in store. Once inside, I was surprised to see how small the space was, but the brands did a great job of displaying their products and their booths with the space they had available. Something I didn't like is that Tier had a spin the wheel to get a full-size or deluxe size gift, and we were the very last people that were allowed to spin the wheel. They put the wheel away after this, and I'm not sure if it got brought out. We were inside here for about an hour and it didn't get brought out again while we were here. So it's unfortunate for the people that got in after us that they missed out on some free Tier. Tier was doing shade matching on all 3 of their cushion foundations. Something else I didn't like was that a lot of the brands were requiring you to post a picture on your Instagram stories and tag them in it before you could get any free product. And so, like, if I would have gone with my mom, she wouldn't have been able to do that. So it would have been a waste of time for her to go and not be able to get product because she doesn't have an Instagram. So I was not a fan of that. All the brands required you to follow them on Instagram before you can collect your free product, but none of them had QR codes to scan, so you had to go in and manually search for them. So that was time consuming and also annoying. If you watched my Ulta Beauty World video, you know how much I hated getting my passport book stamped. It was very inconvenient and very annoying. This event only had 10 booths that we had to visit, so it wasn't as daunting, but it was just as annoying. They were holding different meet and greets throughout the 3 days. This was the meet and greet that was going on while we were here. They also had a little game afterward, which we did not partake in. So now we're going to be showing you what we got in our gift bags. And just remember, these are ×2 because I did have David with me. So everything that I am showing you is going to be the amount that 2 people got. So our first bag over here is going to be everything that we got on the floor. So this is not going to be what we got in our little swag bag, but this is just going to be what the vendors were handing out on the floor. So starting with VT Cosmetics, they were just handing out little handfuls of their Cica Rital shots in 100 and 300 strength. So we got a few of these packets. Access Y gave us a dark spot correcting glow serum, a little deluxe sample. So we got 2 of these. They also gave us their complete no stress physical sunscreen, SPF 50, which I'm super excited to try. Kundal gave us some natural caffeine shampoo. This is pH balancing and deep cleansing. This comes in baby powder scent. Nemo gave us some colored jelly lip serums. These are tinted lip oils basically. We got Grape Crush and Peach Muse. Tier intermittently had a wheel that you could spin, so not everybody was able to get these samples, but I got a milky skin toner. And then of course my counterpart David, who always wins the good stuff, got a setting spray. And this is full size. At Manyo's booth, David got a full size Biome toner. I told you, he always gets the good stuff. All I got was a little deluxe size sample of their cleansing oil. Okay, so now we're gonna be moving on to our swag bags. And I already opened mine, that's why mine looks so small. David's is pretty complete, so I'm gonna show you his. But we did have to collect stamps for our goodie bags like they were trying to do at Beauty World. It was a big hassle at Beauty World and it was a pretty big hassle here. It's just annoying to have to take this out and get stamped at every booth. So I'm already tired of it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna grab out of David's swag bag is a bag from Tier. Inside this bag, they gave us samples of their foundation in different shades, so we can kind of shade match. These are all the light medium shades. We also got a full size milky toner, and I'm pretty sure this is full size. And we got a deluxe sample size of their 50 SPF sunscreen. So we got some more cleansing oils, toners, and then a little sample size of their Biome Complex. We got another lip gloss or lip oil. This is actually a jelly serum from Nemo. We got 2 sheet masks from VT Cosmetics. These are of their Riedel 100 strength. We got another full-size shampoo from Kundal. This is their Beer Yeast Scalp Shampoo. This is in Herb Mint. Access Y also gave us a complete no stress physical sunscreen sample, SPF 50. Haru Haru Wonder gave us a black rice essence. Cell Fusion C gave us a full size of their Aquatica UV Defense sunscreen, SPF 50. And then FW gave us a lip and cheek glowy jelly pot and then a little keychain to carry it in. So basically this opens up and you put your little jelly tint inside and then you can have it on the go. And then lastly, Laka gave us a little lip tint. This is in shade Envy. So after all that, this is all the free stuff we got at the 2025 K-Beauty Hall of Fame. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.